Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to study the chapter number 3 of political science, state government. So in this chapter we are discussing about the nature of state legislature, the legislative assembly Vidhana Sabha and legislative council Vidhana Parishad and their membership and their function. And also we are going to study the nature of state executive, the governor and the qualification and the function. We are going to study the qualification, function, everything. We just go through with this. Okay, the appointment of the chief minister and his function. Who appoints chief minister and what is the function of chief minister? So the union of our country means India. The union of India comprised 28 states and 9 union territories. There are 28 states and 9 union territories. Let's go through with all the 9 union territories. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar, because it's general, you have to know about union territories. First one, Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Delhi, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Daman and Diu. These are all the 9 union territories of our country. Okay. The state government follows of the central government. The state government follows the model of central government. Okay. The state government, it follows the recommendation of the central government and thus have legislative, executive, judiciary, and they have three form: legislative, executive and judiciary. The state government has the power to frame law under a subject under a state list and implement them. Some states have two houses like parliament and only some have legislative assembly. When we move deeply in this lesson, you're gonna go with upper house and lower house also. Okay, so only some states have two houses like parliament, but some states only have legislative assembly. Remember this, some states have parliament but some states have only legislative assembly. Let's study about state legislature. The state legislature is composed by the governor. It is composed by the governor. Composed means it is consist of a governor and the two houses. They have two houses. There are two houses. The upper house is called as Legislative Council, Vidhana Parishad. You remember this: Vidhana Parishad, Legislative Council, Upper House, Legislative Council, Vidhana Parishad. Okay, and then the lower house, the opposite, the lower house is called as Legislative Assembly, Vidhana Sabha. The lower house, Legislative Assembly, Vidhana Sabha. So let's study about the representatives of the two houses, the upper house and the lower house. The Legislative Assembly has represented of people. The Legislative Assembly has represented of people, but in legislative council they have to represent in various fields like art, mathematics, paintings. In various fields they have to be represented in various fields. So let's study about the lower house, Vidhana Sabha. The Vidhana Sabha is dependent on the population of the state. If the population is small, the number of seats also small. For example, in Mizoram and Goa, these are the two small states in our country, so that in that state the Vidhana Sabha having less number of seats, 40 members each. Okay, in our Karnataka there are 225 members. 224 members are elected by the governor. One can be nominated by the governor. He is an Anglo-Indian committee. Okay, understand? So the maximum number of Vidhana Sabha exist 500 or be below 60. Although we have learned about state legislature, Vidhana Sabha, Legislative Council, and in this first part of the video we have go through with the first page. If you want more videos, then please do hit like, share and subscribe. If you want a qualification, legislative assembly, legislative council, if you want to learn more about this lesson in 9th standard, then you have to do like, share and subscribe. So you have already go through with this lesson. Then I want to ask you general question, and also I will give you answer. Okay, question is like this: what is upper house and lower house called as? Okay, remember what I have taught you in video. And then, how many members are elected by the governor in Karnataka? Thank you. Once again, thank you for watching. Please do hit like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.